Hi guys. Let's start with Infolinks. Infolinks is the third advertising platform in the world. Among the benefits that advertisers can gain, Infolinks places ads, text, image, video, etc. on relevant websites to increase their conversion rates. How it works. For bloggers, a wide range of ad formats in different sections of the website, text, footer, interstitial ads etc. Advantages? Here are some of them. The third largest marketplace in the world. A targeting system for highly relevant ads. Thousands of advertisers in all sectors. A multitude of ad formats. Responsive mobile ads for maximum revenue. How to earn more money with Infolinks. Infolinks offers a multitude of ad formats that can be used on your site to monetize your traffic with these ads. To get an idea, here are some examples of Infolinks ads. 1. In fold. 2. In frame. 3. In text. 4. In screen. 5. In tag. 6. Article. Better understand how to use these formats